Hello traders, welcome to yet another video powered by Dhan, India's most advanced trading platform. Now yesterday I made a really big, terrible mistake. The mistake was I shorted 16,700, 16,800 and even 16,900 I think. So till 17,000 we shorted the call option. And why did we short the call option? Looking at the US market, looking at US futures and looking at the open interest, right? Now, is this a market mistake or is it our mistake? Now, market, stock market is a zero-sum game, right? They will try to trap us and they will try to fool us, retailers, particularly retailers, so they can make money. And I can tell you they are winning to some extent, right? Now, what happened yesterday? We shorted 16,700, 600 and even 16,800, right? Now today morning the amount of pressure it gave me was really horrible and I had to break my head and somehow we have managed the position and let's see how we are performing tomorrow. Tomorrow is the expiry, monthly expiry and weekly expiry. I have done some adjustment. And in case if the market gaps down tomorrow, I'll be in trouble. If it gaps down 100 or 150 points, no problem. Even 200 points also not a problem. But if it gaps down more than 200 or 250 points, then I'll be in great trouble. So yesterday, everyone was shorting the market. We really don't know why it came from 16,500 to 16,400 levels. Then why it is regaining and going again to 16,600 levels. So that's what is happening, right? So this is the XGX Nifty. This is not the chart. I'll come back to this later. So if you see here, yesterday's price action 16,663 all the way down to 16,400 and today again it has come to 16,600. It has almost, yesterday it was a big red candle. Today it is a big green candle. So this is a two-way, three-way move in just two trading session. So this is a terrible market to trade. That's why we have been always saying to honestly, if I tell you, if you are into if you have some other source of income or if you are a part-timer, I would advise you don't have to come to this market. These people are crazy people and they will make you cry and they will make your head, they will make all kind of things to make money. They will try to fool us. They will try to trap us. They will show as if the market, whole world is shorting the market and next day it will come. So today, and don't think I am talking negative, okay? Today whatever I have done, yesterday we were short and today we are long, okay? Now tomorrow we don't know, maybe it will go down or who knows what Jerome Powell is going to come out with. Today around 11:30 he is going to come out with the Indian time. Now most of the people are believing that there is going to be a 75 basis point increase in interest rate. Even some people argue that 100 basis point is going to be the highest. Now anything above that 75 basis point or 100 basis point is already factored in. Anything above that is going to be trouble. If in case if they are coming out with more than 100 basis point, which they are not going to do, there is 99% of the time they are not going to go with more than 100 basis point interest rate hike. At the same time, if they decrease the interest rate below 75 basis point, maybe 50 basis point, then that's going to be a good news for the market, okay? So 75 basis point or 100 basis point. So in case there is increase of more than 100 basis point, that's going to be a bad news for the market. In case there is a interest rate hike of 50 basis point, that's going to be the good for the market, right? So as I told you, if you had squared off all your position today, that would be very great. In case you didn't square off, I'm sure you should have hedged your position and had a very, very light position, right? So this is how the market is behaving, and even as of now, as I talk to you, US futures are firmly in the green. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq is the top performer. Even Nasdaq future is up by more than 1.5%, and S&P VIX is also down by 2.39%. US VIX keep on coming down and maybe it is below 25%, right? Yeah, 25, not percent, 25. SGX Nifty is also showing green, slightly in the green. It's okay. It's flat, I think. It's merely down by 0.05%, right? So looking at all these things, yesterday also I told like this, maybe market will come down. Today we are talking something different. So this is how the open interest is looking like. Yesterday I have see all these people, 16,500, 16,600, 16,700, how many people had to run for cover? All these people have gone for cover. That's why you can see a large red candles on the downside. At the same time, they are writing 16,500. On the higher side, 16,600 is having highest, 16,700 is having the highest open interest, 16,200. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, I think it is around, Bank Nifty also, so much of short covering. In fact, Bank Nifty was a top performer today. Most of the banks in Bank Nifty pack, most of the stocks in Bank Nifty pack was rallying. IndusInd Bank was a star performer. Axis Bank, State Bank of India, Federal Bank, Bandhan Bank. Apart from HDFC Bank, all the banks were rallying, right? So let's see in fact today's Nifty move was mainly contributed by Bank Nifty only, right? Axis Bank actually it's been performing for last 3 or 4 trading session. What is happening to the charts? Let's change to Nifty Bank. Yes, here it is Nifty Bank, right? So this is the Nifty Bank chart and you can see the volatility from yesterday to today. In fact, Nifty Bank has crossed above yesterday's opening. So that's from yesterday's high to today's high, there is a difference of just around 100 or 150 points, but in between it has moved more than 700 or 800 points. This is what I am saying. This is the volatility we have been experiencing in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Now, let's see how things pan out. We have very, very light position. We don't have much of a very high positions. Anyway, manageable positions only we are having. In case the market is opening flat, we'll be in a decent profit. In case if the market gaps up also, we'll be in decent profit. Only problem is we will face trouble when the market is gapping down, that too more than 200 or 300 points. So we have hedged our position in a way that we have anticipated everything. If beyond this anything happens, really we cannot do anything, right? And you know what? One more thing, friends, I will tell you. We should stop tracking Indian fundamentals. All we have to do is, instead of tracking Indian fundamentals, which company is going to come out with results, which company is going to come out with balance sheet, or which company is issuing dividend, we should track US market. Now US future is high because of various other reasons. It's because of Microsoft and Google parent company Alphabet coming out with a good quarterly results. US futures are running. Now why we should follow these guys? Why we should worry if Alphabet or Microsoft is coming out with the results? That's what I am saying. We are irrational. We don't have any fundamentals and simply follow the US market, right? So let's see how things pan out. I believe the expiry tomorrow's expiry will be between 16,500 to 16,700. Let's hope for the best. Tomorrow is the last day of July series. I hope we should make some profit. And I think people have factored in all these things, whatever happened in the market. Let's hope for the best. And last but not least, we will see this FII data also, which should have come now. Yeah, I think FIIs have sold for around 436 crores and DIIs have bought for around 712 crores. Yesterday, these buggers sold for more than, I think, 1,200 crores. Now they have changed their mind and they are buying. They have sold less. So this is the problem with FIIs and institutions. They change the market they want the way they like. right? So nothing much. Take care. See you in our Telegram group around 11. Goodbye.